I ended up in a rehab for 3 months called Acorn House in East London. Came out of there, moved into rented accommodation and realised that I had to have something to do to occupy my time. Otherwise it was almost inevitable I would begin drinking again, which I couldn't afford to do. So then by chance I came across a website that had Scotscare on it, followed the link for volunteering and took it from there and began volunteering in Scotscare 2-3 days a week, which to me was invaluable. It gave me something to do. I was mixing with people at Scotscare who understood the nature of the problem that I had and who went out their way to be compatible with me and the problems that I had at the time.